All right, folks, so I had to fire up the screen recorder because I wanted to tell you guys about this fantastic deal. Well, several that T-Mobile is doing, man. Like, for real. They're doing some really good deals over here. You can pretty much get a free iPhone XR 64 gig if you add a line and trade in an eligible device. So first I'm going to start with the eligible devices to get an iPhone. Now, of these devices, I'm going to tell you, I would not trade in my 10 and I wouldn't trade in my 8 Plus. But I would trade in the 8, 7, 7 Plus, 6S, and 6S Plus. So that's just my opinion. You can trade those in, and then you will get a free phone via bill credits. And lately, you know what I'm saying, the bill credits, the system is different than before. So they've actually been doing a really good job of making sure everything is taken care of with that. And it doesn't take 2 billing cycles. In my experience, it's on like in 2 days. So the full disclaimer is right here. They have the XR listed, but you can also grab a XS Max or whatever you want to pay for that's above $750, and then you just pay the difference. Make sense? So basically, they're giving you $750 to spend on any iPhone. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to get the XR, even though the XR is listed here. I've already checked. You don't have to get the XR. You don't even have to get the $750 XR. You can get whatever you want and just pay the difference. But I would say, just grab the XR 64 gig, product red, or the black, or the white, and call it a day and get your free iPhone and keep it moving with your new add-a-line. I think that would be tight. Now, they're not just doing add-a-lines, free phones for that. They also want to give you a Galaxy S9. And so this one has way more options to trade in. I mean, a bunch more. Look at all these phones that they're allowing you to trade in to get a free phone. Now, the condition-wise, all you need to do is make sure that it doesn't have a cracked screen, power's on, and it's not water damaged, and they'll pretty much take it. You just take it to the store or whatever you want to do, mail it in, however you decide to do it if you don't want to go to the store, and you'll be all set. This is a good deal, too. Now, keep it moving. The best deal right here is getting the 6T for free. The eligible device list, once again, is very big. So I would just say take the cheapest. Galaxy S6 is probably going to be, you can find one of those or a Galaxy S7 for about 50 to 100 bucks. Trade that in. You got a brand new OnePlus 6T. They even got the Moto Z2 Play down there. You know, they got the G6. You can find most of these phones, you can find them for under 200 bucks. Some of them for under 100 bucks. So again, that condition, no big deal, man. And right here, you go to the full disclosure right here. They're giving you $580 via bill credits. And you can get up to $750, obviously. That's the deal. It's up to $750. But yeah, that's a hot look right there. Now keep it moving. Get a free G7. Once again, add a line. Bring in that old Galaxy S6. You good to go, man. You are good to go. Same thing, man. Now these two phones right here, if you don't have like a trade-in or anything like that, you definitely could just add a line or start a line and get these free. These are pretty affordable right here, man. You just add a line on, boom, they'll give you the money for it. One of them is $252, and the other one is $168. And it's going to give you a credit for them. That's a good look right there. They got some Apple Watch things, you know, buy one, get one free, I believe, for that. And they got the Galaxy Galaxy Watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch, 50% off. That's pretty hot right there. That's pretty hot. You know, it's the bill credits. I'm not a fan of the bill credits or whatever, but it's been working for me. I just got my 6T and I paid, you know, I got the $300 credits. I get my 6T half off, and they put the bill credits on my account immediately. It was like within 2 hours. I think it was like the next day or something like that. And it was on. So no problems with it, man. I would tell you definitely the iPhone thing, get that old iPhone 6S, give it up and get you a XR, XS Max, whatever you want to get the bill credits. So on and popping, folks. So on and pop, you got a brand new phone, add a line, good to go. And depending on what kind of account you got, adding a line, like to add a line for me, it's only $10. You know, because I'm on the military plan. Some people adding a line is much more than that. Some people, it's nothing. They only got one line, so they gain by, their bill goes down a little bit by adding a line on. Get the right plan. You know what I'm saying? So it's your man Jay Will, free stuff over at T-Mobile. These are some pretty decent deals right here, man. Adding a line, nobody likes bill credits. But you know what? I'm telling you, in my experience, I haven't done bill credits in ages, and I'm doing my 6T in bill credits, and it's good, folks. No problems, man. They added that onto my account. You can see it. You can see the actual credits that you're going to get every month, and it's legit. So it's your man Jay. Just want to give y'all a quick video. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all what was up. I was sitting out here for a second, take care of some business. I said I'm going to go ahead and shoot a quick video sitting right here in the car with the screen record joint. So I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Leave a comment down below if you're going to jump on some of these deals. It starts on the 16th, not Black Friday. So this is an early deal. So it starts on the 16th. Today is the 15th of the recording of this video. So starting tomorrow, Friday the 16th, you can jump on these deals, man. You can get your game on, get your new phone. What do you guys think? I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care.